Hey there, it's Kara, and today I want to show you how to customize a cell or a button on Grid for iPad. The way I'm going to show you today works in absolutely all of the grid sets across Grid for iPad. I just happen to be working in SuperCore 30 today. If you're not sure where to begin customizing vocabulary for your student or child, I'm going to pop something up here on the screen about the different areas that I suggest you start customizing when you're using SuperCore 50, 30, or VocoChat. And so when you're ready to customize, go ahead and open the grid set that you want to work in. And then from there, open up the page where you plan to make the edits. So I'm going to go ahead into the People tab, and then I'm going to go into the Family folder, and this is where I'm going to add my new button. So to add my new button, I will navigate to the upper right-hand corner to pull up my settings options. Then from here, I'll select Edit Grids. And when my toolbar changes to orange at the top like this, that means I'm in edit mode. When you're in edit mode, you can then select a single cell to begin making edits. So I'm going to tap on this one. If it's a completely blank cell, you're going to get these options popping up on your screen asking you what you want the button to do. This video is just focusing on the basics of editing, so we're just going to do write and speak. And now you'll see that your cursor is automatically over here on the label section of your button. From here, you will go ahead and type in the label that you want to call the button or the cell. So I'm just going to call mine Bob. You'll see down here below that a symbol might automatically populate based on the word that you write in the top. If you want to change that photo, you will click the picture, or if there is no picture, you'll just click this empty square. And then over to the right, you'll select Find Picture. From here, you have a ton of options for finding a photo or symbol that matches the word. You can search the symbol library. Grid for iPad connects to your photo library, so you could use any photo that's on your iPad. You can do a web search, or you can open the camera up directly in Grid for iPad and snap a photo quickly. I want to use symbols, so I'm going to go up here to symbols. A ton of different pictures come up for Bob, but none of these are the pictures that I want to use because I want Bob the Builder. I'll go up here to the search bar and type in Bob the Builder. He comes up, so I select him. And you can be done here if you'd like. You can select done and then finish editing. But I also want to show you what you can do if you want this cell to speak an entire phrase instead of just the word Bob. So I wanted to say, Bob the Builder, can we fix it? But I do not want the entire message to be written here on the actual button. So what I will do is go over here to the command section, and where it says same as cell label, I'm going to toggle that off. And then you're going to select down here below where it says same as cell label, and you will type out the entire message you want the icon to say. You'll see here as you type the message, different symbols match here with the words that you've written. This is showing you the symbols that will appear up in the chat window when you select this Bob icon. And then this is the message that the entire button is going to speak when we select this icon. If you wanted to change some of the symbols that are appearing in the chat window, you would go to Advanced Edit and say we want a different picture for fix. So I will select the word fix by just clicking within it. And down here on the bottom, you'll see remove picture or find picture. And it also pulls up some pictures related to fix, but I'm going to select find picture. I'm going to do symbols, and then I'm going to choose this one. So now that is what you will see in my chat window. And then when you are completely done editing the button, you'll select done in the upper left-hand corner and then finish editing. Then you will see here when you select this button, it's going to say that entire message and pull our pictures up here to the chat window. And there we go. That is the basics of editing a button. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks, check out my Grid for iPad playlist. I'm trying to add new videos. And if you have any requests for something you would like to learn on Grid for iPad, please let me know below in the comments.